Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And as you guys can see, I'm at the beauty supply store, honey, and I had to go to Target because I got to do something to this head. Y'all remember I told y'all Coop turned on this shower while I was giving him a bath, and baby, messed my hair on up. I was in a frenzy, so I had to do something because guess what? It's my husband's 30th birthday, and we're going out to eat. And as per usual, I am getting started the day of and late, honey. He was a little mad at me. But my goal was to hurry up and get done, but I couldn't. I was trying. I promise I was trying. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know I'm tearing these chips up in this video, and that's only because we finna go get something to eat, and I don't want to ruin my appetite. And my husband getting the kids together so that he can drop them off with their Gigi and Pops, hallelujah, so we can have us a little date night. You know what? It's been so long since we had a little date night, but yeah, we getting into it tonight, okay? So I'm going to do this half up, half down pony. Since I already knew that I was running late and he was gonna be mad at me. He loved when I had this little hairstyle in my head. So I said, yeah, we're gonna do a half up, half down pony. Okay, something real quick. Ooh, baby, tearing them chips out. So I'm starting off with just braiding down my hair in the back, and as you guys can see, this is a quick weave, half up, half down pony. I did want on my mom to sew in, and baby, they go to braids. I just want them to be somewhat flat. What? Baby, not only are my kids working the nerve in the video, but they doing it in real life too. Sorry. But anyway, let's get back to this hairstyle. So he finally got out the door. I had to help them from the bathroom, honey. And now I'm putting on my stocking cap, okay? I'm putting on my stocking cap, and I'm just going to do a half of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over my whole head, but I'm going to glue around the perimeter of the bag, okay? That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to use that perimeter and that good old got to be to hold it in place. My TikTok girl has taught me this little quick little hairstyle. Oh, Lord, these chairs. Baby, I don't know what's been going on, but these last few weeks they've been working on her. But anyway, okay, I'm going to try to continue with this video, okay? So yeah, now I'm going to use that got to be and that glue just to hold it down, okay? And I'm going to go in and with the blow dryer and make sure I get it all nice and dry. This is the hair I'm using, Remy Blue. Like I said, I went to the beauty spot store because I just needed something real quick, okay? Something real quick until I get my hair braided this week, okay? So I'm just going to use this Remy Blue. Let's review this hair because y'all remember back in the day before the girls had the Brazilian bundas and the raw Indian hair, baby. We had Remy, Bobby Boss, Remy, Goddess, Remy, baby. I thought I was the stuff when I had me some Remy in my head. This Remy Blue, it was on sale, so I got it, but I don't know, the pack was a little thin. I was a little nervous while I was doing it. But I am laying my tracks in like a little U shape, as you can see. And I'm going in with the hair glue and got to be. And in between that, like every 3 to 4 tracks, I'm going in with the blow dryer too. Just kind of dry it up. But yeah, this hair, it did what it was supposed to do. But the pack was a little thin for my liking. I think I got a 12, a 14, and 16. I only used the 14 and the 16 because my head was small. And I don't know if I spaced the tracks out too far with. But yeah, this is all the bag. See, it don't look that bad. It's a little thin, but we working with it. I just needed something for the night. Something for the night to look cute for the night, okay? Now this is, baby, hold on. The girls came out to play. Look, oh Lord, they so big. Oh Jesus, I'm so sorry that I got my breasts all out in this video. Okay, but yeah, the girls out to play. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, so this part had me very nervous because I didn't know if the stocking cap was gonna slip. I didn't know if I glued it down really good, but it worked all out in my favor. Y'all see I'm moving my real hair back because baby, I did enough cutting so it can grow. I don't need no extra cutting now. I don't want that. So bam, I'm getting excited. Now I'm just gonna go through my hot comb. Now if I had more time, I would have like really pressed my hair out, like went through with the flat irons to get it a little bit more straight. But like I said, I am just trying to make it to our dinner reservation tonight for his 30th birthday. My husband getting old. I've been with that man since I was 19. Oh Lord, he getting old. But anyway, I'm just trying to get it as straight as it just to look cute for the night. I just want to look cute for him tonight, okay? Because I'm getting my hair braided in the next few days. So yeah, going through, flattening it out in the back, doing what I can, okay? Yeah, get it, girl. Now I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail too, and how I'm going to sleek it down is basically using that my Care wax stick and that got to be. okay? And I am just going to put it in a ponytail, slick it up. Now let's talk about how my girl Kylie be using all my doggone products. She lost my little hair brush, so I had to slick my hair up with the edge brush. But you know what? Y'all know one thing Tiara gonna do. Tiara is gonna make it work. By this time, y'all saw me pick up them doggone that hot comb and burnt my hands up. By this time, my husband he back there getting dressed. He done went to drop the kids off and everything. I'm still not done. But side note, baby, I would have added some weave to my ponytail because I would have added just y'all see. I would have added some weave to my ponytail, but I am gonna go in with my black paper and just keep my hair protected because like I said, we already cut enough so we can grow. Even though I don't plan on having this in that long, I still don't want no damage. If I can control some damage, I'm going to control the damage, okay? So yeah, I'm going in. I'm just using Got To Be, and I did put a little hair glue on it too, just so it can stay. Y'all see how, that's why I say I put some weave in, because baby, look how little that ponytail is. Ooh, it's a little famished. It's a little hungry. But not too much, y'all. Not too much, okay? Not too much. But yeah, so I would have definitely added like a little bit of braiding hair just so that the ponytail could be a little bit thicker. Because it was very, very slim, okay? And I only used like one pack, almost a full pack. And Pam, look, it's on my head though. It's on my head though. Ooh, and being cute. And we still running behind for the reservation, so I ain't got too much time to celebrate with y'all. So I'm going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to create that little band. I'm going to flat iron it out using my Got To Be and my hair glue, and I'm just going to keep on wrapping it around. Look at me. Yeah, get it, girl. Okay, I'm the queen of just throwing something in my head and making it work, okay? I am the queen of that. Look at that. We bam, made it work. Got me through the nights and a few days after as well, okay? The ponytail, like I said, it's a little fat, but it definitely did what it was supposed to do. So yeah, were we late for dinner? Yes. Did we have to end up going somewhere else to eat? Yes. Did we have a good time? Of course. Was I cute? Yeah.